So itong mosque ay existing na before without any distinct features, but it was painted noong 2017 following the Marawi siege. So yung yellow, blue, red, and green represents peace, unity, and harmonious coexistence. Hindi ako sure kung magiging crowded ba dito ng araw na to. So, inagahan ko papunta. 6:30 nandito na ako. So dito naman ako ngayon sa Bird Sanctuary dito sa loob ng campus ng Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology. Ang best time pumunta dito kung hindi early morning is late afternoon. So since wala na akong time, early morning it is. Hindi ako a bird watcher, but sabi nila makikita mo dito yung ducks, egrets, purple herons, swallows, and pied stilts. But what do I know ba? Ang sa akin nandito yung fresh air and yung being one with nature. So this is 25 hectares of urban wetland within the city, so it makes it very unique. Ecotourism, as they say, maiba naman sa the usual. Actually, sa buong stay ko here in Zamboanga City, this is the best part and my favorite portion of my whole trip is in the swamps, with the birds, with nature.
facilitator kami na consultation ka OPD department na ano from Mondays to Fridays.
So dito naman tayo sa fourth pillar. So dalawang bagay ang makikita natin dito. Number one, yung Marian Church, which is an open-air Roman Catholic shrine dedicated to the Our Lady of the Pilar. And secondly is yung the National Museum. Ibang dating dito sa open air church na ito. Parang ma-feel ko rin medyo nag-go back in time tayo. During the Spanish time, where this was built, more on as a fortress, actually, para labanan ng mga Dutch invaders, mga pirates. Again, since early morning ako dito, hindi ako nakapasok ng National Museum because it's too early. Incidentally, holiday din today. I forgot ang yung occasion, but yan, hindi ako makapasok. But ang palubag-loob ko lang sa sarili ko, ang sabi ko, kamukha lang naman ito ng Intramuros. So, maybe another time. Now, balik tayo dito sa Paseo del Mar, which is, nandito lang ako kagabi. Link in the description below kung ano itsura dito kagabi. Actually, kita dito yung Basilan Island, yung makikita nating silhouettes beyond the horizon. Yan yung Basilan din. Itong mga island na tanang-tanaw natin yung puno is ito yung Little Santa Cruz and yung Grande Santa Cruz Islands. So back again to my favorite church. Dito po gagaling ang lahat ng miracles.
With each other together in the joys of His kingdom. Therefore, let us all
Just like many cities in the Philippines at all over the world, Zamboanga is a port city. Malaki ang potential ng isang lugar maging city pag nasa tabing dagat siya, at Zamboanga City is no exception. So guys, thanks for watching.